Hey, how to be gang! It's time for another episode of Riddle Doodle. Boy, do we have some really fun riddles for you this time. Our goal is to tickle your funny bones. Before we start, please make sure to like and subscribe to How to Be and hit the bell to access more of our videos. Let's get started and squeeze those creative juices. Riddle number 1. Arnold Schwarzenegger has a long one. Michael J. Fox has a very short one. Madonna doesn't use one. The Pope doesn't either. What is it? Those are pretty famous people. What could they have in common? Countdown is almost over. The answer is a surname. Alright, you got to admit that was pretty witty. Let's see if this next one will make you LOL. Riddle number 2. You go at red, but stop at green. What am I? Okay, 10 seconds on the clock. Ready? Let's check the answer. The answer is watermelon. You eat the red part and you stop eating at the green part. Ready for the third one? Let's go. Riddle number 3. Tuesday, Sam and Peter went to a restaurant to eat lunch. After eating lunch, they paid the bill. But Sam and Peter did not pay the bill. So who did? Now that's tricky. Maybe they got it for free? Finalize your answers. The answer is their friend, Tuesday. You got me there. Time for the fourth riddle, you guys. Riddle number 4. How do you make the number 1 disappear by adding to it? What could it be? Ready? Here's the answer. Add the letter G and it becomes gone. Alright, here's the last one. Riddle number 5. Which word contains 26 letters but only 3 syllables? Alright, you guys, this isn't super tough if you don't overthink it. The answer is the alphabet. Did you have a good laugh? We hope you had fun. Which one was the trickiest one for you? Let us know in the comments below. Please make sure to like and subscribe to How to Be and hit that bell while you're at it. Hope you had fun. Thank you so much and see you in the next episode of How to Be.